This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Character AI and navigating straight to personas. This is where your saved characters live. Once there, locate the persona list and click the specific character you intend to delete. Make sure you pick the correct entry because deletion is permanent in most cases. Double-check the name and preview any unique content. If you can, back up prompts or notes before proceeding. After confirming, look for the persona settings or the three-dot menu to continue to the removal options. Once you're inside the persona page, open the settings menu or the three-dot overflow control. That's where deletion lives. Choose delete or remove. Some platforms offer archive instead, which preserves data but hides the persona, so pick delete to erase fully. If the site asks for your password or two-factor code, provide it to prove ownership. This prevents accidental or malicious removals. Take a moment to read any warning prompts so you understand what content will be lost and why the platform requires confirmation. You now confirm deletion in the final prompt. Click delete one last time because this action usually cannot be undone. Once completed, refresh your personas list and verify the character is gone. Sometimes the UI caches old data, so reload the page or sign out and back in. If the persona still appears, clear browser cache and cookies, try a different device, or contact Character AI support with the persona name and timestamp. That troubleshooting step resolves most lingering display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.